In previous sessions, we saw how Planisware combines a familiar MS project scheduling experience with more advanced project management capabilities and seamless Microsoft 365 integration. In this session, we'll explore how to consolidate project data at the portfolio level to gain full visibility across your portfolios. Planisware's portfolio layer automatically consolidates project data across your portfolios. Visualize by project type, region, or strategic objective, for instance, to instantly generate the insights you need. On high-level executive dashboards, get a quick snapshot of your entire portfolio, project progress, costs, and forecasts. Easily drill down for more details. Planisware enables you to visualize your portfolio reporting your way, from high-level dashboards to detailed project performance views that help you identify if projects are on track and aligned with approved schedules, costs, and resources. With a consolidated timeline view, get a clear picture of all active and candidate projects and understand how they interact across your portfolio. The color-coded stages make cross-portfolio status immediately scannable, and you can easily filter projects by phase, layout, time window, or any custom criteria. Planisware's native cost variance dashboards let you instantly compare budgets, actuals, and forecasts by project or by quarter, so you can stay on track and proactively steer outcomes. Accelerate your portfolio project reporting with a rich library of out-of-the-box dashboards and build your own dashboards in minutes. With Planisware's advanced analytical capabilities, gain the insights you need to drive better portfolio decisions.